Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix File Explorer not working on Windows 11 problem. If the File Explorer is not working on your Windows 11 PC, you are not alone. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or refusing to open, this can be rather frustrating, especially when you need to access files quickly. Fortunately, there is a pretty handy way to fix this annoying problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to restart the File Explorer on your PC. It's worth pointing out upfront that restarting the File Explorer process refreshes its functionality, which often works wonders in fixing the temporary glitches that are related to it. Hence, I would recommend you to go for this pretty neat troubleshooter. To do so, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to launch the Task Manager on your PC. And then we have to find the Windows Explorer in the Processes tab. And then we have to right click on it and choose the Restart option. After that, you have to head over to the Start menu and then click on the power icon. After that, you have to choose the Restart option to reboot your PC. And once your PC has rebooted, find out whether or not the File Explorer has come back on track. Hopefully, it should begin to run without any problem at all. However, if the problem still persists, I will recommend you to update the software on your PC because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the File Explorer from functioning properly on your device. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to click on the Windows Update tab located in the left sidebar. And then you have to click on the Check for Updates option, and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of Windows on your PC, and that's pretty much it. So these are the ways through which you'll be able to fix File Explorer not working problem. Hopefully you have gotten better at the problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.